3 years of our uninterrupted democracy, the city remains resilient. It has been a medium of exchange, facilitating trade, transactions, and connecting our people. For 60 years, through cycles of inflation, devaluation, redenomination, and recovery, the city remains the symbol of our national sovereignty. It has indeed endured. It has evolved and remains the only legal tender of our dear.
No, say Ajabi Tiase, I a candidate there we see. Then one say I ye never know a Jankame. The obedient crown one, but no, then 1 year dynamo. The BISCD is the only legal tender. Obekona minister the air transacting business in dollars. But no, to force now what kind of crown? Nobody share baby no or the dollars you did come. You always tell us CD is the legal tender, legal one bia. Kohabo. Omo ba no ma dollar no no the abesidi. And I said to say. Okay, anti-LGBTQ bill. Speaker Kani Payne said the 8th Parliament is history, and so are the pending businesses.
The 8th Parliament
on the LGBTQ. You know.
The 8th Parliament is history. So are all the businesses that were pending in the 8th Parliament. They all ended with the 8th Parliament. And so we have a new parliament, the 9th Parliament. And therefore what was pending there came to an end and had to be reintroduced. It was actually transmitted to the former president. They wrote to tell us that they would not assent to it. The only constitutional error they committed was they didn't give us the reasons why they will not assent to it, and they did not also transmit the bill back to us. They imprisoned it there. So the 9th Parliament on resumption took back the bill. And as you recall, that's a private members' bill. And so members of this house took it up. They've gone through the whole process as detailed out in outstanding orders. But as it went through the process, the new government indicated that they wanted to take it as a public bill.
Yay! Anti-LGBTQ say we course beba. Shebre ne bechire. Nemo Mama Yariga say they are ready to pass the bill. Majority leader.
The NDC, who did everything to get you to give the assent. You are creating an impression that we are no longer committed to the bill. I thought the fastest way is to treat the bill as having been passed. But if you want us to start all over again, I want to assure you that this side of our house is ready to start all over again. So, Mr. Speaker, like I indicated, we are in your hands. Give us directives what you think. I am told that the bill was never transmitted to the presidency. So if the bill was not transmitted to the presidency to be assented to after it had been passed by this House, Mr. Speaker, it creates quite a legal issue. So I thought that we should wait for you to come and give us some direction on the matter, and then we can
okay.
Give every assurance
competent attorney generals don't prosecute their cases in the court of public opinion. They prove them in the court of law. Minority in Parliament is firing back at Attorney General Dominic Ayine, accusing him of turning serious legal matters of the nation into media circus. So I'm sorry, I know and then press conference, meet the press, I can't say no go on my omudu court and 7 necessary. almost say any competent attorney general who proven the case for court any media.
He is into this media because he doesn't want to be referred to as an incompetent attorney general because he wasn't an incompetent lawyer. Please, Mr. Attorney General, competent agents don't prosecute their cases in the court of public opinion. Competent agents prosecute their cases in the court where evidence are subject to strict proof. In criminal trials, he has a responsibility to prove his case beyond reasonable doubt. This is where you go. Put the evidence before the court. Let the lawyers from the other parties scrutinize the evidence. If you stand the test of time and the court pronounces them guilty, so be it. Why do we bring the evidence to the media for just this media circus to destroy the image of people before the chance?
And into a mobile food.
As a people,
Member of Parliament for Keta, Honorable Kwame Gakwe, and Obusa, acting ECG CEO, Engineer Julius Kwekpena. So why do you make payment of 75 million Ghana cedis without a signed contract? Where infractions are, it was cited in the Auditor General's report. So acting ECG CEO, Engineer Julius Kwekpena Obusa said, hey, ECG for Akotia 75 million Ghana cedis are contract in this war.
To part payment of this infraction refers to part payment of procurement without written contract agreement. The cost is about 75 million Ghana cedis. What is the status with regards to this?
Madam Chair, the contract has been signed. It was signed in March of 2024.
It was signed
in March of 2024.
That was after the audit.
That was before the audit, but the audit was from January 2023 to December 2023. So at the time, there was no contract when the payment was made.
In the first place, why will you even make a payment without even contract? There is no contract.
Let me make it easy. This is a procurement violation, and it's under Section 92 of the Public Procurement Act 2003 as 663 as amended. The recommendation is for us to sanction you. So ECG, those who are involved, paying 75 million Ghana cedis without a contract, you are going to meet the Attorney General.
Hey, Ghana. Many asante yeboa e won hyehyeye. Say you would dwumadie bi ye pese e ma no dwume obeya dwuma bi ma me yensesan krata na mom ye di nkomo ni mu na matua sika verbal agreement and matua 75 million ama no matua ni nyina o en konkrata so on sign me sign enti ya bo ma ya auditor oba no se me wo se motua 75 million nanso ye hunu ekwan amofa so amutua sa sika no because I was some kase nipa no the terms of reference and duty e dia ma no ne ne ma obeye no ABCD or tender say no okoye no even if it's so source na Juma ABC no okoye oye wi a ye betua de sika sei ebi ye betua no in trenches and ye betua ni nyina ebu mama no it is in the contract signed contract ne kra no because it's ECG na ya ban no it goes to the legal team and it has to go to Attorney General for approval when you akoso se tes kana manipa no on the test be hwe mu wie ya na 2024 March Marco sign contract no. The mo kan mo dey to krata so mama the other side. And no na just 1 year no. So ye adwuma kra no a. The infraction is you don't give government money to somebody while there's no contract. Hey! Yahweh! Yahweh Otafo! Oh. Ghana ya mobo. Ghana ya mobo. Ya mobo dodo. Yeti sikaso so come dey.
Omanhene Yaw here man.
Sorry sikaso so come. Hey! Chama to me has pleaded not guilty to charges of assignment of mineral rights without approval and purposely facilitating an unlicensed mining operation. Or say, oh yes, I name any Tinua could pay more court. Now I know there was a little drama. Say, judge and by I know Shoshana Wuno. And I was ma warrant the same come got Chenimra. Because 9 o'clock no more transfer. Chama do so do 7:30 so. E why na judge no e ko transfer ya oni ho or issue warrant we out would to me any day. I think Cabo. Paula Foko say Wamoto abadi we are. I went to me Obabe preacher man. Ewo NPP. Ya wonu share free ho. And I born on Sompa meetings here. Besremo, mummy any time so. Obia will meet and nine. Yaw 7-6, 7-10.
Okay.
Who kasa wo there? Where's the background minute?
Okay.
Ma meet
I got that Mr. Jeffrey Paula Foko di.
Check the operating so no wine.
Kasa chere no. Na no present na no eden. I got that Paula Winter me Afoko di no mate so mo say the National Council of the Party ebeshia. Na unso mo grante amnesty bi edema suspended nkrofo including Paula Foko, Kwabena Japan, Same Crab nomne others bi omo grante omo amnesty. Ema say Kwabena Japan pre flag bearer.
That's right.
But omo say as to say Paula Foko amnesty no omo de man no. E man ho kwan man itimi be contest national chairmanship position no, it will be determined by a national executives no and a council no issue mo
one reply one respond there na
you say akota normally process ni be say so be obi free ko bi mu na so okoba o sa back o be started from the scratch and all started from the scratch e be etimi take years bi and sana wetima ba be contest positions bi mo qualify mo e bia Paula Foko bae no ebia niema bia na wo se ye oye a onya nyeye ebia entimi qualify na asa waye entibetima qualify no na national council for this year na omo determine na konta the next one ye ECG musa meme de bia makase ECG de so omo ba bonte be ka kire ye Ghana for some person omo to ye light bill mu a meni omo nya adwene de biara da because the current finance minister otewo no mo sese am ye hunu say ECG for no workers ne adwumayfo ne mo mpanimfo nyina da paafo na se omo ye omo nsisi ye yi a enka enkosi da se Ghana ye be ka se ye to light bill mu am ye the burdens bi akwa kogu Ghana for so because so feel say enema bi omo ye no ECG honom no so omo ye omo ne ma yi a Kobasi yesi your friend say inflation dollar rate and the man say crowd the niema bi omo person omo de to light bill mu say yesi galam say akobu omo po baako it omo person omo to light bill mu 200%.
Adan William Boakye say nya nko
akota that is obwa William Boakye nya dede no e de bi akota inflation yesi single digit dollar yesi 10 cedis dollar call 14 cedis mutu mu ko say. Yes, I am away na koto mu gira so say inflation your friend said dollar
no cost.
Yes, I am man. Say musi galam say for akobu mu po baako it ECG yama kwan na muntu ye light be 200%. Meanwhile, what you sika mo bi wa bra nipa no anya hwe ama mo muni ni contract. Kotaji na me de bia me ka say me ye president a camel line ECG engineers ni nyina up.
No ayo.
Why on there? Akuta soja for no go there.
Omo. Are we a dictator?
Me dictator. But akuta obi ye we ya.
Ghana mra makwan sa.
Ye ti ati ne ye ti ha ne no.
akota America ne China na no ne kasa China omo yesei no ma yesei na no yese Zakozi se hwan okoprison o because the campaign na no ye okoji sika free Gaddafi ho
French president
campaign o okoji sika free Gaddafi ho okwakodem ebi ebetibezi Africa
ye be sa ba bio ene ye kawasem ti ye koba be mama kwan ne masa ma me nche wajako
oban me da sia no pai ne enche atiefo and I know e di nkomo na mbisa question bi say ECG ne VR ne netco omusika no ya no omo de ye den mbisa asa specific question yi ma regional bosses no ba ko contact me e ka che me say me really kakra say I wish I could have time to explain it all. The pricing of utilities in Ghana has been below market prices or values since PRC was formed to regulate tariffs. This created situations where utilities could not fully implement their expansion plans and hence the need for government and private sector publication. I was only asking about Sikano mu generating. At the end of your day, and I will marry Muaya in IDS serial. And no Public Accounts Committee, what they are using our money for. Omo double Sikano, triple Sikano, DB Kahon, Ekwakutia Niama. And example has to do with say without any contract agreement. So it means that a horror now or teno yesikano yatisika sunti na yen ni proper audits be a demanded accountability near the oma famra kwan sunti no se sikano e ko hwimfa ba bia na obe say na NPP in person no we say NDC in person say obe say hwim na fa carpet na se na ekọ yesika na no mo koso edin sa ohwe from 2012 2013 be pem 2023 a omo boka de bia e wo say aban e be ka ho de bia e wo say aban e ba be pesika kakra bi e de ye maintenance e de pem fidie ba ko mienu de ba be she ECG
my customers are saying
since the inception of ECG
maintenance schedules are put out there.
We are saying one nana wo ton so boka
oh
ade na wo ton e won now
the neighboring countries so
ade no kra no utimi kra digu ade so ma nipa no ntini nipa no to a enye se bosome na akwaji usika o otuaka wo ha prepaid
no waji
and yet
yes and ton bi kra by your neighboring countries
ye boka
it means say ye ade na ikuta ye na sombo but ye boka dani de nyina e ka susuru na mo aba they said they mebra eken na mo see inflation mo see CD dollar na sefo e so ti ye no omate so here is the case most ever pay increment adan ya galam say won sensem you see it is kana ya mo gege revenue na mo generate no e hefa na mo defa e de na mo de ye emfa so ben ne basa sika no so because we your business sika na e ba no na we dey expand the business no na ejina ye na we dey other branches nso e den e ka ho se be ya be hu se business na is successful. Here is the case mo de ne de e bia gi se mo dwane akoban ho de bia gi se mo akopem ho aden Yayamade.
Ajaku siboni ben ye dia ye wo asante. Bo kwa asante ye wo asom.
O man we hear public account committee na me koso na public account committee fa so bi ani so. Me hu ni say obi akodi sike wi na betra be busabisa no asem. Enti no should that be the case? Ade nya other way round. Some public account committee no money auditor general nyina no contract nyina muntra mu be preko. Because another kofa public account procurement or one buy. Ewi eche na ahwa agye ni mbo atie agye no na ne ono
kwa procurement boss
na emu no ese kwa asa ayi prosecutor nso open den
mo hwehwe no
ono sika ye de son to so no mre no so ya yanko renew no za kofa akire kofa sika nyina fi na account
41 million
kofa ni nyina akoye no
ofa akire ko yi ni sika
ene ye hu de sika na akọ enti ye de procurement ne ba senka sika na nsa na de content me ba bonte na nka ye wurawura mahunu sei fata ebeboa sanema no ena anko ba ne sa ye hu ye no ono amu na okobra ewuo no na wo Sompa fe ten na oman emre bia amokokodi sika mi ya na ya sama committee omuti onya omamu gisika o
hwede asem na aka
enti ade na ye momu nyina anya involved preko
involved in what
say enka contract na omode ma no omaye contract na omode ma ni nyina ye hwehwem omunyam no na hwehwem wo deserve omotu sika ni nyina awie na that means all of you are involved because the general maybe ever ban your beautiful banner hela no banner hela na wonya no man for so be any so papa be se na da jako kuna aba hwehwe documents any contract who do nyina hu say sika unim say from 2017 says 18 to 2024 sika amount for infractions say cover say cover 78 billion Ghana cedis o sika be na kwaji amen for do say sika no enti say ye hu say de ekoso na
sika no enwunu chain bibia
enti enwunu no ade na okay say won sika na enwunu eni akogina enso na ja say enwunu duru ho a na esia no ade na emagina enso na nimu.
Very good. And no dinner something. Nipa bi kase the Public Accounts Committee should be given a biting teeth.
O ma enya biting
me ba dan because we masante entimi mase government business e koso ade bi omuye bi e say Public Account Committee be scrutinize ene adwuma kra be stole o tell me chon e je say e bia say ye be money show yi e wo say ye de common CEO na CEO share headlines no chire mu no yi we free mu ansa na wo ye bibia wi a
o ma so edit adwuma na de
ya bi o be person tell say ansa na aba e ba ye guso a ye kan krom se ye nti bibia se safa bra eno ne ye jai show na o tell me chon o ba ye adwuma no ba adwuma no chematew bi ba ho a na bia mpanifo afre say ade we a wo ye no eno ti na ye scrutinize na almost scrutinize wi a e was say omo infraction a there should be a punishment deterrent enough for say nipa na wo ho no obeka say accountant we a no wa ha we see ye no ya jailing for 2 years ya sika ya de the senate entitlement e be ma no ya de attach say sika no ya te at source next time accountant for betina sa akonya no so no asante on fasika. But you did not quite to say, oh, Public Accounts Committee, a car no can no be the never public, no be are. Cohes Andy Panoa, Chief Director now, you see one signed contract, no, Cohes ya in a dear. Ocho 3 years, there be only one Sembawo, Auditor General's report, or the Sutio. As I get to me. The issue is, it was a Public Account Committee, no. And no did on Penny Joe Mama say, on a Chief Justice. Auditor General and the Attorney General, Asia, they want to find a way. You bet to be in your quarter. You can't was by Monday now in a quarter. If we don't do that, Asante.
Oh my, na ye need to say you see Kobedi in a court.
There be over as it stands now. To me, say or sign contractor. Your contracts be on man. It should go to the Attorney General. And the Attorney General knows and everything. Those contracts. Who the obeshemu and say infractions in them. But they are now say within
board
for now approve ni ateno. Asante all no munye sikadi. Ena nipa na ode asem no call ho no. Open contract no. Board members nkro no. Wa shia obi a wa efie. Obi a $100,000. Now ka say ye say MP board member. Yes, we ye ECG board member. O ka say no.
Na form say adwuma na e dia
na. E mo da. Asante e dewu. Board bi wa ye de akoto abato aboard wo kopɛ de o. Yare ne na manama. Ye catch obi say obi ye Ghana ha ye catch obi say obi ye GMPC board member. Society respecting us straight away. Or MPA. Yes or ECG or boss or your board member or Cocoa board. All of a sudden, now na busia for asati board meeting back home to Mrs. Sambibia. Asati Ghana ya dey didi ho. Enti dey all can me no ya dream but yet to be stop it. But we have to make it certain punitive measures. Okay, so deterrent.
Number ko ba say almost say ba ku bi $180 million one the omo yi ni say yem prosecuting no.
Very good.
Na prosecution afa na ko pe lawyer kuku dan. And me make no. As a follower ya
and no na amanfo hwe ni mu say asante OSP no na nka wo say yemra no said e be ya nka obi ti say asem asiye no ade akye no OSP anim ye ma 1 week ko fa sika no bra bibia ne ntansa bo say sika no why infractions ya go head na busiam ya head ne na japade mu ni ade ya frozi ya ton a That was what everybody thought the whole speech was going to. After Kodru Parliament.
For the petition,
and I said,
say obi e de o mani sika ye say wa bokro no o fa sika na ye de o pe no yes afred patch on na me bo ma me bo obi a buy 500 million Ghana na wa kodi ni ho say bia mfa ne say me do exam o say si be ntwidi 500 million dey akwa kodi papa yi ho ya o say allegedly kodi ni ne say sika we say o man wo de kwato treasure bills be say bi 1 year cry wie na say enu achi won fa sika ne mra enti sika wonya ade ko bra enti dey
wodi ho ya
plea bargaining there. I say
plea bargaining. The fact that you went on a plea bargain doesn't mean say you are not prosecuted though. There are times you pay a certain amount, but you be prosecuted. They be anka 10 years or amount 5. And you say we complete. There are certain
Sakro no way enyefe.
Yahweh,
Sakro no way enyefe.
Emu dia in the same ba. Oh we are $10 million. Na ye didn't go to court. You hu na japade bia.
Aguta ye behu. Oh, ye behu. All things being equal ye behu.
Yaw.
Na mo de geta be.
O call na japade mu no. E japade na ko hu ye no. Court to me nka say Orlando edina daso na bibia fie no na bia ye ne dia na ba papa no na eyema no akuta o ti na me che o
say papa no
what to hill top fie yeah, no, we are taxi. Quickly,
appointment committee.
Within 1 year,
hello. Appointment committee. Appointment committee.
Then investigation is ready.
Tonia one Juma Obiani. Ni fie ni ayi.
Cantonment.
Cantonment. Airport hills. Okuja Toniano. Oya Juma way. What's in the documents that just said in the when in Dimu. What is what we say? But I don't know here's the means. Very good. So how is the court going to determine say, sir, Adiana or say any diano? On to me say any diano on your Juma than I said.
But how do you establish a chronobo? But once you establish say what bokrono, no. Within 2 years, what to fear or cantonment? What to be or East Legon? What to be or Kumase Hilltop? What a charm or Busia for?
How would you know say or chairman?
Nabusia,
Nabusia, and say, Abratiano, only Moshe.
One for Nidia, may I bomb my Yasadi and man for Midian yet. With the Minia Santia Bois, a dear or your taxi driver and a register. Akuta Maminchim. Within 1 year, Obi taxi driver. Obi taxi. Within 1 year, Otivinia $300,000. Etofio a hilltop the Diamond Hill. Otivinia $500,000
document to prove say the man in question I accuse no or no transfer X amount.
I also want to Ghana near serious. Akuta and for CID for BNI and national security force here dey. Na enfaswa. The biggest accuse you be. Akuta enfaswa what national security. I want BNI. I want CID force here dey.
You should also prove yourself.
Akuta Ghana can prove it with ease.
Very good.
Ghana can prove it. We can prove it.
Say me say wa bokro no I was say be prove say wa bokro no
Akuta yes
but me I was say wa bokro no what is Akuta, my proof
put BNI to work put security to work put CID to work don't investigate anyway
mo wa fun ya odia na me say ya media na
Akuta take 2 years
investigate criminal has no end criminality o say my we are phone phone here out there.
Proof say out there.
What never me prove.
Akuta good. It me na me be prove say. Me be prove say obokro no. Me buy ye no 200,000 da ha say ayera. Ye de mo se fa ye adwuma. Umfanya hwe sika no so a ena ho no.
Very good.
Good. Ye hu say enra ya what of ye wo Diamond Hill.
Ya ho na me ka say. O se wa hu say wato. Wo koye documents ni mo no ni din ni so me ba koye documents ni so ejako na ato
ni nuane ejako
e dia na chese na transfer scammers
akuta mami nchemwe akuta ye be show na kase ID ni bia na 40 wo ye da ane a state investigative is iyoko ekomo to
you are on the same tangent with me
debi akuta akuta ye mo nya adwuma ni ti ya ba this point
Orlando bra